Alright, and here is a review video on Scotch tape shipping and packing. This is a great tool, a great dispenser to use when you are shipping packages and taping up boxes, even if you're just packing up your house or if you're shipping boxes, something you're going to mail. But very easy to use. Let me just show you how to put the tape in here. Okay, I can rip that piece off right there. All you're going to do is put the tape in here. You can adjust this for tension as well, how easy you want this to spin. Tighten it up and it won't spin as easy. So we're going to put this in here, get down to this part right here. We're going to flip this forward and it will hold that tape. And then once you push this back, these little teeth will come out right here, you can see, and then that's what is going to cut the tape. Let's tape this box up right here. Just go across this side here. And I like this since it's heavy duty and it's got a nice firm grip and foam grip. You can pull on it, and once you pull it like that, it's going to cut the tape, and you are good to go on the package part. Just bend this a little more like that, and there you go. Taped up a box just like that. But this is a great tool, a great dispenser, Scotch tape, 3M brand. You definitely need this if you're going to be doing a lot of shipping and packing. Very easy to use and adjustable as well. So can highly recommend this for sure. Go grab one for yourself.